Your smile is more than just looks. It's a reflection of your health. But there's an invisible enemy forming in your mouth right now: plaque. Plaque is a soft, sticky film of bacteria that constantly forms on your teeth. These bacteria feed on sugars from the food and drinks you consume. In the process, they produce acids. If plaque isn't removed every day through brushing and flossing, these acids begin to attack your tooth enamel, the strong outer layer protecting your teeth. Within just 24 to 48 hours, plaque can harden into tartar, also known as calculus. Tartar is much tougher to remove and acts like a shield for bacteria, making it easier for them to continue damaging your teeth and gums. At this stage, only a dental professional can safely remove it. When bacteria stay on your teeth, they keep producing acids that cause cavities. Over time, they can also irritate and inflame your gums, a condition known as gingivitis. If left untreated, gingivitis can progress to periodontitis, a serious infection that damages the bone supporting your teeth and may even lead to tooth loss. Your saliva is like a natural defense system. It washes away food particles and contains minerals like calcium and phosphate, which can help repair tiny enamel defects in the early stages. But if plaque and tartar remain, they disrupt this natural healing process. The takeaway? Brush twice a day for 2 minutes, floss daily, limit sugary snacks, and see your dentist regularly. Your future smile depends on the small steps you take today.